Hi guys, welcome to healthspectra.com. Benefits of turmeric milk. Have your mom been forcing you to drink turmeric milk since childhood? You must be thinking, why has she been so persistent, right? Turmeric milk is very beneficial for health. The combination of antimicrobial and antiseptic properties of the turmeric milk boosts one's overall well-being in a number of ways. Let's look at the benefits. Number 1. Turmeric milk for weight loss. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of the turmeric aids in promoting weight loss. Benefit number 2. Turmeric milk for sore throat. The antimicrobial properties of the turmeric helps get rid of the growth of the infection, and the warmed milk helps soothe the irritation. Benefit number 3. Turmeric milk for asthma. The anti-inflammatory properties of the turmeric helps open up the respiratory system and helps get rid of inflammation constricting the airways. Benefit number 4. Turmeric milk for cancer. The antioxidant and the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric actually does prevent the excess proliferation of free radicals and keeps the cells healthy. Benefit number 5. Turmeric milk for back pain. The anti-inflammatory properties in the curcumin present in turmeric helps get rid of the inflammation in the back muscles, inducing the pain. Benefit number 6. Turmeric milk for constipation. Turmeric promotes better digestion and the milk helps hydrate the GI tract, thus promoting better defecation without any induced pain. Benefit number 7. Turmeric milk for diabetes. Curcumin present in turmeric actually does help regulate the levels of glucose in the bloodstream, which is beneficial for preventing and relieving the symptoms of diabetes. Benefit number 8. Turmeric milk for early menstrual cycle. Turmeric has mild uterine contractile properties which aid in inducing early periods in individual. Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.